Welcome to Research Bites, your daily dose of science news. The life cycle of organisms, from birth to death, revolves around two things: reproduction and the struggle to survive. Through the process of evolution, most organisms seem to have perfected this art. An incredible example is the caterpillar of the swallowtail butterflies, which changes its appearance and color at various stages of its elaborate life cycle to escape predators. Swallowtail butterflies are large, colorful butterflies that are found on every continent except Antarctica. They are famous for their dazzling colors and the prominent tails on their hind wings. Because of their global distribution, the caterpillars use a wide variety of plants as food in different habitats. A study published in the journal Ecology and Evolution retraces the evolutionary history of these butterflies to understand how their interactions with plants and predators have led to the evolution of color change through various developmental stages. These changes are also called ontogenic color changes. The study shows that ontogenic color change depends on complex interactions between the size and the level of motion that are associated with the different life stages of the caterpillar, the characteristics of the host plants, and its ancestry. The researchers quantitatively classified the various colors of the caterpillars into three types of color defense strategies: aposematism, crypsis, and masquerade. Swallowtail caterpillars opt for the most effective strategy depending on the risks they face and the resources the host plant provides at the caterpillar's specific life stages. For instance, caterpillars feeding on toxic plants store these toxins in their bodies and use bright colors and striking patterns to advertise that they are unpalatable. Their predators, through trial and error, thus learn to avoid eating them. On the other hand, if the host plants are devoid of toxins, the caterpillars opt to resemble some inedible or averse object like bird droppings when they are small in size. This technique is called masquerade. However, and have to move more frequently to feed or become a pupa, they switch to crypsis, where they blend in with their background. When these caterpillars become pupae, they all turn cryptic as a majority of predators detect prey using motion. The study found that the appearance of caterpillars was shaped primarily by their development, their predators, and their host plants. The plants try to avoid being eaten up by caterpillars and other herbivores. The caterpillars aim to grow fast and survive to adulthood, and the predators are always on the lookout for a juicy worm. The evolution of protective coloration in swallowtails elegantly illustrates the reciprocal yin and yang-like relationship between ecology and evolution. Here, the evolutionary shifts from one family of host plants onto another alter the ecology of the swallowtail caterpillars, which then influence the evolutionary trajectory of their color defenses. This study is also the first of its kind to quantify color in caterpillars of a global distributed family of butterflies. The authors stress that citizen science initiatives that curate valuable natural history information through pictures that are contributed by ordinary citizens, like the iNaturalist and I Found Butterflies websites, are treasure troves of biodiversity knowledge and played a vital role in this research. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. This podcast was brought to you by Research Matters, a SciComm initiative by Gubi Labs. For more science-based stories, podcasts, and news, log on to our website www.researchmatters.in.